Now, I'm sure you've heard of YouTube before, since if you're viewing this video, you're definitely on the YouTube platform, but did you know that you can actually listen to music on YouTube and get paid every day, every hour, or even every minute? Take a look at this. This is how much money you can make. Listening to one YouTube music could earn you $5. 5 music could earn you $25, and 20 YouTube music a day could earn you $100. All of this can be done in about 5 to 10 minutes with your phone or computer, and you can simply repeat the entire strategy. This is completely free, so no credit card or investment is required, and it doesn't matter if you're coming from the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, India, the Philippines, Nigeria, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Indonesia, or anywhere else in the world. Quick reminder though, make sure to watch the video all the way through, as I'll show you a few special tips to multiply your earnings and make 5 times more money than people who don't watch these videos, so make sure you don't miss out on this opportunity. Welcome to Dr. Profit, where we prescribe you with ways of earning money online. If you like this type of content, consider giving us a like, commenting down below, and subscribing to the channel. We regularly release new ways of making a profit, so it's a good idea to ring that bell icon to be notified each time we upload a new video. Alright, let's get back into the video. As you can see, the first app you'll want to download is the Current app. With this app, you'll be rewarded for listening to music, but later on, I'll show you a couple more apps that you can get for free on your phone, then I'll show you a real-life example of how to use them, what music you should listen to, and a bonus tip that can help you make more money. Make sure you pay attention and don't skip any parts of this video, because I'll be showing you on YouTube on how you can truly play all of these songs and earn a lot of money online. When you go to the main page, you'll notice I want to earn rewards while I'm running, which you can see here. You can do it when you're running, working, or sleeping. In fact, you can do it while the music is still playing in the background, and you can still make money. This application is available on both the Apple Store and the Google Play Store, so if you have an Android phone, here is the application's logo. Make sure you're downloading the correct app. It has over 1 million reviews, and this app received 4.4 stars, so it's an excellent solid application that's 100% legitimate. Again, this is available on the Google Play Store and then on the iOS App Store, where you can download the same app for your iPhone. Now, before I show you a real-life example, I'll demonstrate how to play music and how to choose the greatest music that will pay you the most money. In fact, this app has over 100,000 radio stations, one of which is YouTube. So once you've downloaded the app from the Google Play Store, you could now start listening to YouTube music. On the radio stations, when you go into your account, you can notice something like this. Pay attention, since this is only one of the ways to get money while playing music. I'll show you 2 methods for making money while playing music. Continue watching and I'll show you a few more tips that can help you make 3 times, if not 4 times more money than other people. Okay, so this is the homepage for YouTube Music. Here you can find a lot of music, a lot of playlists, and a lot of artists. If you scroll down below, there are a lot of recommended music that you can choose from and can be played on YouTube Music. Together with the Current webpage, when these 2 applications are combined, you're able to make a profit on autopilot. So now I'm gonna show you a real-life demonstration. I'll show you an example of one of the playlists on which I've been particularly focused on, and I'm able to listen to these. There's actually a lot of music on the queue. Once these songs are done playing, they will automatically move on to the next song and so on. They will be able to play all of the songs right here, and now I'll be paid for each and every one of them. When you're able to loop the playlist, the magic happens when you hover your mouse over this icon in the bottom right-hand corner and select the repeat button, meaning that once these playlists have been finished playing from the first song all the way down to the last song, it will automatically hop back to the first song and replay it, allowing you to earn money over and over. So the bonus tip I want to give you is to make sure you have a lot of music queued up. As you can see, I have roughly 20 songs lined up to generate money faster. The second piece of advice I can give you is that when you go to the main page, you'll notice these hot lists. When you click on the hot list, you'll be taken to a page with higher quality, more recommended videos, and music videos to view. I strongly advise you to select one of these videos because they will pay you more money from the Current app. You can sync and synchronize your YouTube music with this application so that you can get paid when you play the music on YouTube. This is the first approach to making money while playing music. The second way that I'm gonna show you right now is one that you're probably much more familiar with. Perhaps you view YouTube videos every day and you're doing so right now, and that you are aware that they can play videos and music videos. For instance, Pop Hits 2020, Top 40 Popular Songs. You may listen to music playlists like this for an hour and make money over and over simply by repeating the process of listening to all of these songs. So what I'm presenting to you right now is a real-life example. You can see here that this is the only tab in my Google Chrome browser that is open. So now I'm gonna open another tab to listen to more music, and then the third tab to listen to more YouTube music. Right now I have 3 tabs open in my browser, so again, here's a bonus tip that I'll provide you with. By opening many tabs, you can listen to music and earn money over and over, and I'm gonna give you more of some short ideas right now that will help you make even more money. So first and foremost, when you go to YouTube, you can play music that is at least 1 hour long, because the longer the music is, the more money you can make. The second tip is to click on the settings button, which is located on this page. By default, the speed may be normal, but when you double the speed will be, well, twice as fast. You should select 2, which indicates the music can be played twice as fast, so the more music you listen to, the more money you'll be able to make. Here's another tip. You can actually reduce the quality to 144p by turning off quality, and what that means is that even if your internet connection is slow, or if you have a lot of people using your internet, you can still listen to music because you'll be playing it on numerous tabs. It is critical that you limit the quality to 144p so that your internet is not consumed and you can do other things. Okay, I'm now going to show you the final bonus tip, which is a new Google Chrome extension, YouTube Playback Speed Control. As shown here, you can now download this onto your Google Chrome browser or your computer or your phone. It's completely free and there are currently over 80,000 users, so when you download the Google Chrome browser, the magic happens. You may play this on your phone at 3 times the normal speed because YouTube only allows for 2 times the normal speed with this. You can play at 3 times the speed or triple the speed. When you use the Google Chrome extension, you may control the speed on the top right-hand corner as shown here. You can raise the playback speed by pressing the pause button or lower the playback speed by pressing the decrease button. Now that you have downloaded this extension, you can make a lot of money since you can play music on the YouTube platform as well as the YouTube Music platform much faster. So once again, all you have to do is go to Google Play Store to download these apps, or if you have an iPhone, go to the App Store to download the Current Rewards offline music app, and you're good. That's it for today. Thank you for watching Dr. Profit, the channel where we prescribe you with ways of earning money online in order to make a profit. Try the method we showed you today and tell us about what types of content you'd like us to cover next in the comment section down below. And with that said, we'll see you guys next time.